Good, good. Move up to the Cadillac.
Bang, bang! Bang, bang! Oh wait, we're on some.
Alright, you guys go, man.
Sorry about that.
Alright, decent.
Move up. Bang, bang! Bang, bang! Frag out!
We're all there.
Nice one.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Guys, move up.
Nice frag.
Thank you. I'm afraid.
Yeah. I think you can only use frags once a game, right?
No.
Oh. There's definitely someone back there, obviously.
Yep. I could need them again.
There's one on the wall,
Yeah.
and I think there's two in the door.
Free fire, Robbie.
Oh crap. That's a bad idea. I'll get shot if I do that again.
Hey, Woody, look at that.
What? Yeah, I saw that. Didn't want to pick it up because I didn't want to get shot.
Hey, that Call of Duty money hack is for real, man.
How do we want to do this?
That's what I'm
Bang, bang!
saying. I don't even care if I get shot. I'm rich, man.
Hey, watch that door. Hey, friendly!
Friendly.
Friendly!
Friendly. Friendly. Friendly.
Want to fall back?
Want to fall back? These guys got us covered on this side.
Hey, I'm trapped in this corner.
At least he does. Is there a guy just camping that area?
There's one
I
in
think
the door. There's one on the watching the wall.
I won't be able to hit both of them.
Bang,
Maybe
bang.
one.
Oh,
Bang, bang.
Alright.
Bang, bang! Crap. Evan,
What?
we're being overrun.
Alright, retreat. One.
They're moving in. We're gonna, I don't want to camp their spawn, so.
Go back and get flanked through the fire truck.
Yeah, let's do that.
That's a good plan. If we don't get shot.
If we walk casually, maybe they won't shoot us. Oh jeez. Evan, come on. Watch her back. You got hit. Oh crap, he's behind glass. Hi! Hit! Hit! Crossing. I was saying hi to that kid, and then I got shot.
Oh, you just put our guns down. We just walked through the thing.
Are we? We need one more. Are you out?
No, not that. He's dead.
Oh.
Oh, and you have to stay in battle. Alright, so.
We have to wait for one more.
For one more. Oh, in order to respawn?
Yeah.
Alright, great.
That was a good frag kill.
Huh?
That was a good frag kill.
Yeah. That was so funny. We just walk out there casually. That was great. We didn't even call our hit. We just walk out in the middle of the fire and they didn't shoot us.
Yeah.
We can't get called for acting like we were hit. We're just walking.
Yeah.
Hey. I've always wanted to do that at the beginning of the game. Just walk through the center. People be like, is he?
Oh, Jared.
They probably ask me, are you out? And then they'll have my guns on me.
Yeah.
Evan.
We're good. Evan. Yeah, okay, we're all back in.
Evan!
Evan! Go on, let's go. I'm packing green balls of fun. Crossing. Hey, wanna move up?
Is it clear or is it sketchy?
What's clear?
It's clear?
Yeah.
Alright, move up. I'm moving up to the cat.
Evan, on me. Bang, bang!
Are you red?
Oh, yeah.
Scared me for a second. Don't be killing y'all teammates.
I didn't think you guys were still in here. I thought you all died.
We just sit in here for a little while. We have the cell down.
I
I don't think there's anyone in the next room.
Huh?
There's no one in the next
We're
room. is
clear
there?
right here.
Alright.
Bonus like last time.
You have 2 guns on them, they're done.
Yeah.
You moving up?
What do we want to do?
This room's clear if you want to go.
You guys gonna follow?
Yeah, but yeah.
Okay. Bang, bang.
Somebody gotta die.
What do we want to? Want to call a parlay? I don't think I got bang bang. I think I'm good.
Way too close to be shooting people, bud. Hit, coming out.
You know, I'm just gonna call it. Hit.
Yeah, me too.
Hit.
All right. Well, got a group of 3 going back.
Grazed my finger from like 3 feet away.
We found out that if you walk casually across,
Yeah.
you don't get shot.
Yeah.
It's not cheating because they're not saying you're hit.
Yeah.
I love it. I'm dirty. Hey, hit, hit. I like it dirty.
I'm gonna hang on. Let me.
Oh wait, that's us. Oh, sorry, GoPro. Thank you. Oh, I just double fired. Okay, I'm moving up. That was close.
Yeah. Pretty sure we're still teammates in there.
Are we back here?
Oh, okay, there you are. Perfect timing.
Are you dead?
In here. You're probably gonna bang them. You want to go ahead or
Are you dead?
no?
No.
I just
I don't have
retreated.
any ammo in my, my battery's dead, so I'm just sure.
Okay. Good. Bang them.
Frag out! Is everybody in this room dead? I don't know if they called that.
You toss a frag?
Yeah.
Everyone in there should be dead, so if they shoot you, they can't. They're...
I don't know. Guys, move up. Cover the doorway. Bang, bang. Bang, bang.
Hey, you trying to kill us?
We don't free fire in this room.
Hey! Good kill. So good. Hit. I got more grenade kills.
Huh?
I got more grenade kills. I got like 5 in one go.
Yeah, I'm just sitting there. I'm like, yeah, these guys aren't calling their hits, so I'll keep fighting the pricers. And then we were at the U-Haul station.
Oh.
Yeah, and this
Hey.
guy's at the end, like, we're behind the car at the end of the U-Haul station. This guy is just coming in the doorway. He's like, bang, 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 bang. How are you not dead? It's like, are you kidding me? I'd rather you shoot me.
We're getting like lit up.
All right, well, let's get out of here.
All right.
That's 6. We're good.
Where are we going?
Safely. We're going.
Big man.
Come through. Come through. It's all good. Frag out. Oh, never win.
Bang, bang.
Good kill.
Coming through. That's 3. Let's do this.
Hey, wait. Yeah.
Turn left.
I don't got a battery.
Oh, I barely got missed. Bang, bang. He missed. Either his gun wasn't firing or he missed. Are we good?
He died.
Frag out! Huh? Frag out! Thank you. Okay, move up. Watch that door. Hit. Hit. Ow. Hit. Ow. My side. Hit. They shot my side. Hit. Ah. It's all good.
Bring for you, Robbie.
Are we good?
No, I'm back here.
Oh.